Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make passive income on your YouTube channel if you're just a beginner or a small YouTuber. Yes, you can make money on your YouTube starting today. You don't have to wait until you have 1,000 subscribers. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. We're on our way to 7K. Let's get right into this video. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. First and foremost, what is passive income? So passive income is a revenue stream that you can earn by selling or promoting products or services, and you earn an income from that. This revenue stream requires little to no effort on your part. So in today's video, I'm going to specifically talk about how you can earn passive income with Amazon affiliate program links. These links are used within your YouTube video in the description box. How it works: you have been using this product and you really want to let your YouTube community know that you enjoy this product. You want to show them all of the benefits of the product. What you can do, you can create a video, tell them what you like or dislike, the benefits of it, and how much you've been enjoying the product. But instead of you just letting them go find the product online, you can leave a link in your description box of that video so they can purchase the product directly. And once they purchase the product directly from your link, you will earn an income from that purchase. So if the product that you're using is on Amazon, you can leave an Amazon link under your video for that product. So Amazon pays you a percentage of their purchase because you are bringing the customer to their products, and they're rewarding you by giving you a percentage of the profit. First and foremost, you need to know the Amazon affiliate program rules so you'll know how to use the platform. First rule, it says you must disclose on your site or in your communication that you may be eligible to earn from recommendations. YouTube makes this easy because they give you a includes paid promotion option when you're uploading your video. So you just have to select that and it'll show up in your video. It says you must not make false or deceptive claims in your recommendation. I feel like the easiest way to follow this rule is just to be honest and give your personal opinion of the product that you like or you dislike, and just let your viewers decide if they want to purchase the item. Avoid referring to prices, with some exceptions, since prices frequently change on Amazon. If I'm promoting during a sale, I will let them know this is the sales price during this time. So they'll know that once the sale ends, the price will go back to normal. Or just specifically tell your viewers that this is the price currently on Amazon, so they know that prices on Amazon change. It's just simple things that you can do like that. It doesn't have to be complicated. Do not use Amazon affiliate links on offline promotions like ebooks or emails. So simple. Do not use link shorteners on affiliate links. So you can actually shorten the link of a product inside Amazon's program. So you don't have to use outside source to shorten the link to the product. You can just use it straight on Amazon program. They have a setting where you can shorten the link of your product. Now notice none of the rules said you have to have a certain amount of subscribers, you have to have a certain amount of views, watch hours, which means you can sign up today and start making videos and putting those links in those videos and start earning today. So what does that mean for you? Well, that means if you already have 1,000 subscribers, that means 2 streams of income already on YouTube. Now, if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you will already solidify 1 stream of income. And then when you have your 1,000 subscribers, then you'll have 2 automatically. And since I'm talking about the Amazon affiliate program, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link in the description box below so you can sign up today and start earning your first or second stream of income on YouTube. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.